we'll be looking at our product rule. Product rule. This is one of the methods we use for differentiation, and it takes the form of this: y equal to u v, where the u is a function of what? It's a function of x, and your v also is also a function of x. U is a function of x. V is also a function of x. When do we use our product rule? Product rule is used when you have two items being multiplied together. When you have a product of two functions. Okay, that is when the product rule is applicable. So how to differentiate it? It's very simple. Your dy dx, which we call the differential coefficient, or y prime, they are the same thing, will be equal to, you take one of the functions, you take one constant, then you differentiate the other one. That's dv dx. The one which you have differentiated here, you keep it constant, and you differentiate the one which you kept constant here, which is what? U dx. So that is how to differentiate a product of two items. Okay. You can also have a product of three items. It's not the scope of these course. So we just focus on two items. Okay. So let's see applications of that, and that will take us to question 1. So you can see this is the first function, which is u. This one is the second function, which is what? V. So your dy dx will be equal to what? The dy dx will be equal to, keep one constant, differentiate this one, which is what? D dx of what? Of this function. Then plus the one you have you've differentiated here, you keep it constant. X minus 6, keep it constant. Okay, and you differentiate what? The first one. When you differentiate x, that's 1. Okay? Your dy dx will now be equal to this one. If you differentiate this one, first of all, remove the square root, which will become the power of what? X minus 6. And that will be equal to what? Times half into bracket x minus 6. And then this half minus 1, that's minus half. Okay? And then times the derivative of the base, which is 1. Then plus what? Plus this. Okay? And this will give us what? This will give us x times half, that's the x over 2, times this minus here is 1 over x minus 6 to the power half. X minus 6 to the power half. And that will be equal to x times 1, that's this one, all over 2. The square root is the power of half is square root of what? X minus 6. So that finished that question. Yeah, question 2. So that's what we have here. So in this case now, we can call this one u. We can call this one v. So the y dx will equal to, take this one constant and differentiate the second one. That's 2x and 3. And then plus the one you have differentiated here, keep it constant here, and then differentiate your what? Your the first one. Okay, so let's get the differentiation of that. The y dx equal to dx equal to x squared. Derivative of this one, this is a chain rule. The derivative of this one will be what? The 2 will go to the front. Okay. Then the expression 2x minus 3. Then 2 minus 1 power 1. So that's 1. So we don't need to put it there because anything to power 1 is that number. And then times the derivative of the base of that function. That's what? The derivative of 2x minus 3 is what? Is 2. That's 2. And then plus the derivative of 2x here is 2. So that's 2 to bracket what? 2x minus 3. So we now have now 2 times 2. That's what? That's 4x squared into bracket what? 2x minus 3. Okay? Then plus what? Plus 2 into bracket what? 2x minus 3. So that finished the work. So the only thing to do now is just to do the algebra by factorizing 2x minus 3 is here. It's also here too. So the y dx will be equal to take the 2x minus 3 outside. So that will be equal to, we have the remaining 4x squared here. Okay, then minus what? Minus 2. Next question is what? Y equal to x minus 3 times 2x plus 5. Okay, so that's the question. Then to get the derivative, the y dx will be equal to, you keep one constant. Okay, actually, if you like, you can expand and do your differentiation. But I want to apply the product rule here. Yeah, take one constant, x minus 3, then differentiate this dx of 2x plus 5, then plus, keep these one constants, 2x plus 5, and differentiate this one, ddx x minus 3. So, the derivative of this one is what? 2x plus 5, that will give us 2. So we have 2 into bracket x minus 3, okay, then plus. The derivative of this one is 1, so I have what? Plus what? 2x plus 5. So the next thing to do is to open the brackets. 2 times this, that's what? 2x. 2 times minus 3, that's minus 6, plus 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 2x, that's 4x. Minus 6 plus 1, minus 1. So that's what? That's the y dx. So that finished the work. Okay?